Hello students, today we will discuss finites and non-finites in English. As already told you, there are two groups of verbs in English. One group is finite verbs and the other is non-finites. The finite verbs are specific in the sense that they are used alone in a sentence. ये हमेशा ही अकेली आती हैं, इनके साथ किसी भी अन्य हेल्पिंग वर्ब का प्रयोग नहीं होता. These finite verbs are of three kinds. Number one, it is base verb or the present verb, or generally we call it first form of the verb. Second is basis verb, and third past verb. When we study the base verb, it is called the first form of the verb. It is used with plural nouns and pronouns I, we, you, they. They show present tense, just as Ravi plays, it is basis verb, and they play, it is base verb. So, the difference between base and basis is that when we add suffix s or es after the base verb, it becomes basis, and particularly basis verb is used with singular nouns or the pronouns he, she, it. Just as he writes a letter, it is a singular pronoun he, and we have used writes. And when we use the past verb, it is generally second form of the verb. The sentence in past verb can be he wrote a letter. Wrote is the second form of the base verb write. So, we can just see that when we use the finite verbs, they show number and tense. Means either the subject is singular or plural, and what is the tense that corresponds to the verb used. For example, it can be said that with the finite verb, base verb and basis verb, we make present tenses, and the use of past verb makes past tenses. So, here one thing is to be noted, that always these finite verbs, they are used alone in a sentence. We can recognize whether the verb used is alone, a single verb, when it is a single verb, it will be either base verb or basis verb or past verb. Accordingly, we can also know whether it is a present tense or a past tense.